Are you ready to create a cutting-edge video that will amaze your audience like this?
Hey there, ladies and gentlemen. It's great to be here tonight. You know, I've been dating my boyfriend for a while now, and let me tell you, he's a real piece of work. I love him to death, but sometimes he just drives me crazy.
With just a few easy steps and some free AI tools, you can make a video that looks and sounds like it was made by a professional. First, you will need a script. For that, head over to chatgpt.openai.com and sign up for free. Then, write a prompt like act as a female stand-up comedian and write a funny script about your boyfriend to generate some scripts. Keep generating until you find one that you like. Next, it's the time to add some visual. For that, go to lexica.art.com and browse the pictures on the home page or sign up for free to generate your own. Use a prompt like a romantic girl 8K resolutions realistic to download the perfect picture to use in the next step. And press generate to download the perfect picture to use in the next step. Finally, head over to did.com and register for free. Go to create a video and upload the AI picture that you have downloaded. Then copy the script that you have generated using chatgpt and paste it in the script section. Then select the language, perfect voice and style as per your need. After that, click on generate video. Then click on generate. And in less than 30 seconds, you will have a stunning AI video that is ready to share with the world.
Hey there, ladies and gentlemen.
So go ahead and create your own AI video and share the link in the comment section. If you like this video, don't forget to share and subscribe to our YouTube channel MilEstOne Creator. So, thanks for watching.